Hello, my friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Mr. English Teacher. I'm really happy to see you here today. In this video, we're going to talk about something that most English learners completely forget about. Everyone thinks success in English comes from studying grammar, memorizing vocabulary, or listening to podcasts for hours. But today, I want to show you the truth. Learning doesn't start with grammar, it doesn't start with vocabulary, it starts right here, in your mind, your psychology, your motivation, your patience, your confidence. These are the real keys that determine whether you'll keep learning or give up halfway. Because the truth is, learning English isn't just a language journey, it's an emotional one. So today, we're going to dive deep together. I'll share with you 6 psychological keys that will completely change how you learn English. I'll speak slowly and clearly, and I want you to really feel every word. You can even repeat some of the sentences in your head as we go. Now, grab your coffee, sit back, and listen carefully, because this is an important one. 1. Belief. Do you truly believe you can learn English? I'm not talking about a small, I hope so. I mean a strong, deep belief that says, yes, I can do this. Many people tell themselves, I'm too old, my brain doesn't work well, I'll never sound natural. But do you know what that is? That's not reality. That's fear. Fear creates excuses. Belief destroys them. Think of belief like soil. If the soil is rich, plants grow strong. But if it's dry and empty, nothing grows. Your English is that plant. Your belief is the soil. Even if your progress is slow, even if you make mistakes, tell yourself, I'm learning, I'm growing, I'm improving, I can do this. Now close your eyes for 2 seconds and say to yourself, I can learn English. Yes, you can, and you will. It's not as hard as you think. 2. Motivation. Ask yourself honestly, why are you learning English? Because if you don't know your why, you'll quit when things get hard. Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you dream of living abroad. Maybe you just want to connect with people from around the world. Whatever your reason is, make it personal. Write it down. Look at it every day. When you feel tired, that reason will remind you why you started. Here's my advice. Don't learn English because you have to. Learn it because you want to. Because English opens doors, gives you power, and connects you with the world. When your reason becomes emotional, learning stops feeling like an obligation. It becomes a mission. And I have great news for you. For beginners like you who are just starting their English journey, I've created a simple, practical English guidebook. It's designed with short, clear, and easy to understand lessons, daily phrases, common expressions, short reading texts, and visual memory aids. This guide will give you exactly what you need. I always recommend my students use it as a daily practice book, something to review every day. You can get your copy and start learning right now. 3. Patience. This one is difficult for almost everyone. We live in a world of instant everything. Because of technology, we've lost our sense of time and patience. We want results right away, but we forget that real growth takes time. Real learning is never instant. It's like planting a seed. You don't get fruit the next morning. You water it, give it sunlight, wait. And one day, it grows. English is exactly the same. You can't rush fluency. It's not a race. It's a slow, steady walk. So stop asking, how long will it take? And start asking, what can I do today to improve? Every small step you take today brings you closer to finishing the marathon tomorrow. 4. Mistakes. Now, let's talk about mistakes, one of the biggest fears most learners have. What if people laugh at me? What if I say something wrong? Here's the truth. Mistakes are not a sign of weakness. They're proof that you're learning. Every time you make a mistake, your brain learns something new. When a child learns to walk, they fall hundreds of times. But they don't say, maybe walking isn't for me. They laugh, cry, get up, and try again. Treat English the same way. Fall, laugh, get up, and try again. Say to yourself, thank you, mistake. You're helping me grow. If you can learn to smile when you make a mistake, you'll improve 10 times faster than someone who's too afraid to speak. 5. Habits. So you might ask, how long should I study each day? Well, you don't need to study for 5 hours. What you really need are small, daily habits. Listen to English for 10 minutes while drinking your coffee. Write 3 short sentences in your journal before bed. Read 1 short article on the bus. That's it. Small steps every day create big results, just like a domino effect. Success is built on small habits. So choose one tiny English habit today. Maybe it's watching my videos every morning, or reading your favorite book in English for 5 minutes. Whatever it is, do it daily. Habits don't just change your routine, they change your identity. You stop being someone who's learning English and become someone who's living English.